You ever have to convert numbers from one currency to another? Well, then this is certainly not the right way to do it. It takes way too long, and you would even need to repeat this entire process every time you want the updated exchange rates. What you should do instead is the following. First, type in the currency pairs that you need. In this case, we want the exchange rate from euro to US dollar and from euro to the Indian rupee. Next, select both cells, then click on Data, and in here click on Currencies. What this does is it converts our desired currency pairs into data types. This is awesome because now we can click on this little symbol and in here add the current exchange rate by clicking on Prices. All right. Now the best part is that we can use these values within our formulas. So we can just take the euro values and then multiply them with the current euro-US dollar exchange rate and do the same with the euro-Indian rupee exchange rate. Awesome, right? Oh, and the best part? Since these values are data types, you can just click on Refresh All inside your Data tab and all your exchange rates will update automatically.